The DNA molecule is a
so
double
cool.
helix consisting of two major segmented strands that spiral clockwise. These strands are connected by sulfur bridges like the rungs in a ladder. These bridges are not evenly spaced along the molecule, but they do have a specific pattern. There's a bridge, then 10 segments later there's another one, then 5 segments later another, followed by 6 segments and another, then 5 segments, there's another bridge. This 10-5-6-5 pattern is then repeated over and over again for the entire length of the molecule. This is particularly interesting when viewed with the Hebrew language. In Hebrew, the letters correspond to numbers, since there are no distinct numbers like we have in English. In Hebrew, the number 10 is the letter Yod, or Y. The number 5 is the letter He, or H, and the number 6 is the letter Vav, or W. Therefore, the pattern that is found in the DNA is Yod He Vav He. That is the way the Hebrews wrote or spelled the name God revealed himself with. So God's very name is found repeatedly in the structure of the DNA molecule.
Amazing.
In other words, every DNA molecule in every living organism bears the imprint of the name of Yahweh, the God of the Bible. But there's more. Like the Egyptian hieroglyphic language, Hebrew is a pictorial language. The letters represent images or concepts. Specifically, the Yod or Y represents behold, the H or He represents a hand, and the Vav or W represents a nail. Combining all of this information, what we can say categorically is that every DNA molecule proclaims the name of God,
Incredible.
but also identifies who that God is. It is saying, behold the nails in my hands.
Behold.
Not only is it declaring that it was created by Yahweh, the God of the Bible, but it identifies that God as Jesus of Nazareth, who is God incarnated, who was crucified for the sins of all mankind. His resurrection from the dead proves that he was and is God. The DNA molecule is God's fingerprint, embedded in the man he created by forming him manually, as recorded in Genesis 2:7.